Well, I can't get it to focus on that deer because it's focusing on the grass. But that's a giant mule deer. Yeah. What up, guys? I know this is not the way that I wanted to do this, but I was reviewing a lot of the video from day 2 and a lot of the stuff in the morning and actually throughout the evening was blown out by wind noise. So any updates that I gave throughout day 2 of our hunt did not go very well. You can't hear me and it is blown out by wind. There's a few parts in this video, in the rest of the video, that you'll hear and you'll understand what I'm talking about, but they just don't have me really speaking, or you can kind of hear me. But I just want to give a quick rundown as to how the first part of our morning went. Me and Tro woke up a little bit late, went out for the morning hunt, and we literally got to our spot and there was cattle everywhere. I mean, hundreds of them. And so we determined, we sat there for an hour and we were like, you know what, let's just back out, regroup, go do some scouting. And we did. And as you'll see, we saw some cool things and some big deer. But that's all I'm going to say for the moment. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I will actually check back at the end because we were so exhausted from the rest of the day that I forgot to make an outro. But that's where I'm going to leave it for now. I hope you enjoy the video.
Oh my god, there's a lot more.
There's a ton of them, yeah.
Ah, man, Bobby.
Nice. Well, come on, focus. Focus. He is just
a cusp away from Pablo.
Come on. Quit focusing on the grass in front of him. Well, I can't get it to focus on that deer because it's focusing on the grass. But that's a giant mule deer with about 7 does and 2 other little bucks, and they're just on the edge of public. Things just seem to be happening really fast for us this year. It's 12:46. We literally have been sitting here for 10 minutes. We came out for an evening hunt. We're really tired just since this morning kind of got skewed. We didn't go to the spot we wanted to. So me and Trail scouted saw. I know it was out of focus, but it was still cool to see it. But I got me, Terrell, and Matt over here, and my buddy Tyler finally showed up in town, and him and my dad went off one direction, and I just got a text that they shot 2 does, so, and they just shot again, so, I mean, we used to have 2 deer down. They're still shooting. So, which, hopefully you can hear me because the wind is blowing about 30, it feels like. You know, fucking computer. So, yeah. We're probably gonna go help get deer since it's so early. We could probably go help deal with the deer and then probably come back and maybe get on a hunt, but or maybe see something else, but waiting for my dad to call me back. He had to finish the deer off, so we'll see. Next thing you know, we might be looking at some deer. Give me, oh, I see it. I just messaged you right here. You can see it on my camera, Matt. I can't even tell what they are. That's, I mean, I think the right one might be a buck, but that's so far. It's just not worth it.
There's 3 on that hill right there. They're just looking at us.
Not very much longer. Looking back. Is this for you or me? Either one, I don't care. You can, yeah.
There's 5.
There's another one.
There's 5. There's 5. This footage is great.
Can you see him?
Very well. One's running. 2,
Winding us.
3. They're gone.
Get one on the hill because I can't find them.
I see 5. Just under the fence. I jumped so hard.
They're separated. But I'll get back to you.
Take it again.
See the tree. Huh? I see the tree. Sure.
They're gone.
Very far.
Behind that ridge. I don't even see him.
Threw the deer on and went.
Alright, so that was day 2. Awesome day. It was a little more hard-working than day 1. We shot all our deer in the morning on day 1, and so we kind of just got to chill around camp in the evening. Actually, we all took naps, but day 2 went a heck of a lot differently. We shot all our deer in the evening, and we were, man, pretty close to a mile back in. And we shot my dad and Tyler shot 2 full-size mule deer does. As you saw, I missed that one deer, and I'm not usually somebody who's happy to miss. I'm happy to know it was a clean miss, but by the end of the night, I was literally so happy that I did not hit that deer, because, man, it would have sucked, because instead of quartering the deer out, like honestly I think we should have done, we literally just drug and carried them out that whole mile. As you saw, Tyler literally strapped one of the deer onto his back and carried the deer out that way, which was pretty impressive. That deer probably weighed 150, 160 field dress, and I mean that's a pretty sizable deer to put on your back. I mean it's like giving someone a piggyback ride for a mile, and I was really impressed. And then that other deer was probably pushing 200, no, not, probably 175 field dress. I did a terrible job of showing you guys the deer that they shot, which is just me learning, and it's unfortunate I wasn't there to catch the moment because we were split up, but really glad they got to shoot him. That was my dad's first mule deer ever, and I'm just excited. He wanted to try the difference between mule deer and whitetail, and I'm excited he got the opportunity to do that. But there is no video for day 3 again because we were so tired from the evening of day 2. We slept in on, that would have been Monday morning. We slept in and did not do any hunting in the morning. We went in the evening, and about the only exciting part was that me, Tyler, and Terrell saw 9 deer that were like 1.5 miles away. I spotted these deer and I was like, boys, you gotta get here. We gotta go try and get a stock on these deer. And we only had about a half an hour before sundown, so literally we covered 1.5 miles in almost 20 minutes. Gear on our back, rolling hills. I mean, we did really well. I was really impressed by how fast we got there, but it didn't end up working out, which is alright. But the last day of our hunt is a good one. Y'all are going to want to wait for it to come out. This video, it is Tuesday when this is dropping, and the 4th video and the last hunt of our video series here will be out this Friday. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see future content. I really have enjoyed putting this little deer series together, and you know, I got a few things I need to learn still. I got to put a few more things in, but it has been really fun. Accomplished some goals, shot some deer. Y'all are just gonna have to wait to see how we finish out the rest of the series. Honestly, I can tell you, you're not gonna want to miss it. But hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I really do hope to see y'all back on the next video.